What if I told you that one simple money mistake could quietly cost you thousands of dollars every year? Millions of Americans make these mistakes every single day without even realizing it.
By the end of this video, you'll know the 7 habits that could be draining your money.
Let's start with the biggest mistake almost everyone makes. Mistake number 1: spending money before making a budget.
Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money goes.
Small purchases may seem harmless, but they add up faster than you think.
A simple monthly budget gives every dollar a purpose.
Even high-income earners can struggle if they don't control their spending.
Now let's move to the second mistake that silently destroys wealth.
Mistake number 2: carrying high-interest credit card debt.
Interest keeps growing, even while you're asleep.
Buying something today can cost much more over time if you carry a balance.
Many people only make the minimum payment.
That can keep debt around for years.
Paying more than the minimum can reduce interest costs over time.
Using credit responsibly can help protect your financial future. Every dollar saved on interest is a dollar you can use for your goals.
Small financial decisions today can make a big difference tomorrow. Next, the mistake that catches people off guard. When life takes an unexpected turn. Mistake number 3: having no emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected expenses.
Without savings, even a small emergency can become a major financial problem. Building an emergency fund takes time, but every small contribution helps. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Now let's talk about another silent money trap.
Mistake number 4: lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation. As income grows, spending often grows just as fast. Higher income doesn't always mean greater wealth. Next, the habit that quietly steals your financial future. Mistake number 5: waiting too long to invest for retirement. Time can be one of your biggest financial advantages. Starting early gives your money more time to grow. Even small, regular contributions can add up over many years.
The best time to begin is when you're ready to build the habit.
Mistake number 6: buying things just to impress other people. Looking wealthy isn't the same as building wealth. Real financial confidence comes from smart decisions, not expensive appearances.
Spend with purpose, not because of pressure.
One final mistake could have the biggest impact of all.
Mistake number 7. Never learning about money.
Financial knowledge can help you make more confident decisions.
The more you understand money, the better prepared you'll be for the future.
The future. Small improvements today can lead to meaningful progress over time. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep improving.
Imagine where your finances could be 1 year from now if you start today. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. Every smart decision is another step toward financial freedom.
Which money mistake surprised you the most?
Subscribe for more simple money tips that can help you build a stronger financial future.